What up, Vlog World Skylife TV? Well, I just done mash up my lunch, that's why I smile so belly full. I can't manage. Some people upset. Yeah, you know, typical Jamaican, when you eat, you just start laughing no reason. Like,
say one man say I can see. Say, Jamaican woman love them good.
You know, when your belly full, like you just start skin your teeth away. Pure skin teeth, like because them, like when them belly full, like if one answer crawl on the ground, believe it or not, them a drop and them a roll. No, somebody in there. Somebody in there, Jamaica.
Okay, be straight by the side and ready.
You think go and chuck a runway? My auntie, my friend.
They went on the bag, I was not sure what it is. I'm straight say, I got a red carrot that you got it up.
Go and tear up.
You can't drink. Where's your glasses?
So what happened? I'm straight in the cup of that glass. Like
You need to change your glasses. You need to change your glasses.
I got a Cadbury. You get me.
No want so much chocolate money, man.
Give me fair share.
A black dog.
Crazy. You are. Me say me no want that chocolate. Give me fair share. Yes, the man in the taxi did right. Jamaican woman loves their goat.
Jamaican man love their goat. So they have big belly, so.
See camera here, Miss Lynch. See camera here as well. Publisher. You know it's lunchtime talk with Skylife TV. We have Miss Lynch right here. Bam!
Bam, bam, bam.
We have Tamika right there. Bam! And you have Melica right here. Bam!
Bam.
Belly full. So when they are going bill and thing, you know, the struggle is real.
Definitely.
Some things that I can't talk about on here. We haven't done Amari. Hey! I want to tear up. She sit my stomach every single day. I can't talk about her from my stuff. No, she sit my stomach too much. My ear, I say I go ear just our day. Tell me if my ear no look like say I have split ends.
Really?
I go ear just our day. I say hairdresser, please cut off all the split ends. Right?
You cut off your ear.
When me go home, I dismiss it. I say better me do it myself.
And you're going to.
So I have to go back. I have to go back, make sure you deal with the natty. And thing.
But next time I come back over here.
Rain gonna fall again today. Today is Friday. Yeah. I'm going home tomorrow, which is Saturday. And I'm gonna see Punky. I haven't seen her in a week. That's a long time without my sister. No.
You need to go up.
You know, so I'm more contented than me down.
Go back down. Take a 2 weeks.
I'm go back on after. But Punky died if I come home.
So you go up tonight?
Not tonight. Tomorrow. I say I'm going to Fontana what day, so I go buy 3 of them here. So when I look for this something, I say 120. Lo and behold, when I reach a cashier, 1,000 other one. Me hear them trick me. 3 of them here. This no worthy Fontana. I say okay, 220 or whatsoever. I was so shocked.
120 for what? What? 1,000 for what?
So Tamika, $920. Basically $1,000. 3 of them here come in a different color. Yeah?
What you want?
Divide that by 3. 920. They grieve.
Wait, do you see 120?
I don't know, like me, them and play a trick for me. Yeah, never play a trick for you.
Trick for me Saturday. Supermarket. One day we buy red name, paper towel. Let me see. Scott. The 100 roll. How much? 200 or something like that. Look over next side, me see 2 in a 1.
A same thing with that we done at place.
2 in a 1. 300 and let me say, what a deal, eh?
Me they say no man, they buy cheap because I want bando me go buy at first $100.
Can I pick up? Anyway,
Story time.
pay for it and whatever. I say, hold on. My bill come up to so much. 2,000 hand.
You know,
I said, put the items in my pick up. You know, pay it no mind. I'm go home, I stop on the veranda. Auntie asked me about how much are you? I'm sure. I'm going to show the bill sure. When me look, $600.
Tig. And double it. As for the supermarkets here stay in trick way when they're ready. Auntie. But you don't know. They're going to do it with Skylife TV. Or the power lunchtime break.
Hi, Jovel.
This is what we typically do on our lunchtime. We
Jovel
sit.
want to be in the TV.
He says he doesn't want to be on it.
But if they are eavesdrop.
And talk. So I'll see you guys later. I'm not sure.
She has
And she glasses. She look like a pastor. Don't get a pastor wearing glasses. I don't get a pastor. Me clench your teeth. Them white too. Me not. No, look straight. I first it of it. No, like they straight. Like for me, they be done. You definitely know that them a mash up.
Yeah.
But I believe I just teach them.
You have good teeth, man. Me say. You have good teeth.
Me too.
Me I go
I
up.
have
Let me see.
perfect teeth.
Me friend fi show for me. Me I got dentist. The other dentist go fix them 40. So me have a pretty little money to spend for me teeth, them and teeth. Me teeth them buff and mash up and broke up and something.
Bye.
But
With the accident.
I still have a nice smile though. Yeah. So now me did drop one Melica. Knock out few of them. Because me used to suck them 2 fingers. And a natural chick teeth, you know. People have natural chick teeth. Like born with them teeth chip.
No.
Anyways,
And enough calcium.
me drop all the coat to teeth them. Me never lick them out, but then chip. And me don't want to rotten teeth in the front of me because when the teeth crack, after a while it start get brown. And I know some man don't want to rotten teeth, man. Especially our front teeth. What an embarrassment. I can't manage.
You want no rotten teeth for me?
You know,
Story time again. Today, this morning, this taxi man bring
make sure
me
you
down.
talk to my camera now.
Anyway, he always like bring me like come out downtown. So, but he never that talk. He say he can get
Wally
like
camera.
people.
Wally camera.
Anyway,
Wally camera.
no.
right, talk.
Anyway, this morning me happen to go at the front of the vehicle.
Alright, you what?
And I talk, but him hardly attack like, I talk, but him a cover him out. We take a look around for him. No peer at nothing there.
Oh God, he's shame.
Hey boy, look at him. Look, peer at nothing there, mom. Say, okay. No, me see whenever I express yourself so much.
No man, but you know, so me kind of like me buff teeth, like me think it fit me. And me a worry say, if me fix me teeth them, like, how me a go look? Me don't know. But I forgot to deal with this still, because I don't want a brown teeth in front of my head and I love skin my teeth, so. And sitting.
Okay.
So. Next year, so I have to go put one gold teeth just so it can't fix again. Yeah, it can't fix again. Can't come over. They would have laughed off of me.
Oh my God.
But we are going to do it for Skylife TV, you know, the lunchtime quarter. And remember to subscribe to keep up to date with us.
Bye.
Check out the
Here
belly
we
now.
go again.
Please got big, Cheryl. Subscribe.
We are going to be so much your food. Now we're garlic. Especially you come to pray down. Eh?
Push a woman, you know. This is what you do for me. You pray for me. Suppose a bit here. But
this spiritual like Amari.
I'm married.
she said she's spiritual.
She was get married to jail.
I'm married, so she's spiritual.
Myself? If she want you,
I don't know.
if she want anything, you know you can check her.
I'm married, she was like the other day. I was in the airport and I saw some ladies with their children. I just took off my gold chain and give to them. I said, hell to you, I'm married. Yes. So yes, I just take out my gold chain and give to them. And when I see pregnant lady on the road, I give them a $2,000 money. I'm married.
2,000 Jamaican.
Shout out and think. When I take it to Jamaica, when the man go back from Jamaica, $2,000 to each baby mother and Ray and I don't want to talk about her in my vlog them because I don't want my vlog them turn out to be a fiasco. Too much excitement and something. But I'm not gonna lie. Ninja Man put her in her place this man yesterday.
He must sure get something else after Ninja Man fell and say her ears.
Say the man of AIDS. Like Ninja Man was so upset. Like me, I said, oh Ninja Man so upset with the camera. Like
the best is yet to come.
Yes.
she gonna put herself in a problem, some real problem, and I don't talk about her now. But keep it locked to Skylife TV, and we will talk to you today or Friday. So, me talk to you again on my start vlog. Alright? Later.
What am I doing? What am I saying?